Hello everybody and welcome back to another Python interview practice problem on LeetCode. Today we will be doing another one from, another two actually from the top interview 150. We're going to do remove duplicates from a sorted array and then remove duplicates from a sorted array part 2. This one's kind of a 2-for-1 because if you do it this particular way, you don't have to change the code much to do the second part. It's pretty much the same as the first. So we're going to start with making a variable I to hold on to our index, and while we're gonna loop through the list of numbers. So what we need to do is we need to remove all duplicates of numbers in the array, and we have to do it in place, meaning we can't make a copy of we can't make a new data structure to hold on to it. We have to use the original array that is given to us, nums, and just alter that. So to do that, we're gonna loop through it, and we're gonna loop through it just to, instead of what you would usually do, length of nums, we're going to stop an index before that, so we don't terminate right after we process the last index. We terminate. We exit the loop in index before that, and that's because in this inner loop here, we're going to check the index after I. So we're going to say while the index after I is less than the length of nums. So while it's still within the range of our index or indices, and while we have our element at the index is equal to the element in the index after it, we're going to pop the duplicate. So we're going to go nums.pop I plus 1. So the one that is at the I position will stay, but the one after it will get popped off. And then finally, we're going to say I plus equals 1. So, and what this will do is it will pop off all duplicates until there's no more duplicates of that particular element. And then what we need to do is return, like it says here, we need to change the array nums so that the first k elements of nums contain the unique elements in the order they were present in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums, but then we return k. Change the array such that the first k elements, so that k is going to be the elements remaining, and the number of the elements of the remaining. So we're going to say return length of nums. And then let's try that. Great. So let's just take that and see how we can alter this to solve remove duplicates from sorted array 2. Well, here now it's basically the same task, except we want to have two of we only want to pop off elements if there's more than two of them, and we'll pop them off until we only have two of each. So take our code here. So instead of terminating, we're gonna look ahead, not one index, but we're gonna look ahead two indexes or two indices. We're gonna look ahead two indices, and we're gonna say while nums at I is equal to nums at I plus 2, so looking ahead two indices, we're gonna pop off the one that is past the second one. So this will leave us with only two of each element. And then again, we're returning the length of our nums array after we pop out all the duplicates. So we'll try that. And there we go. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.